Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Can increase in development activity and Fil's downtrend amid market capitulation. This too shall pass. It might pass like a kidney stone, but it will pass. This is exactly what Filecoin's long-term holders must have been telling themselves at this point in time. Unsurprisingly, Fil has capitulated massively from its all-time high. At the time of this analysis, the token was trading at $18.13, down by more than 90% from its April 2021 high. It's worthy to note that the project shows a lot of promise, which hasn't really translated into its price action. After 6 September 2021, investors have been wondering if it's a long-term downtrend or just a good time to buy the dip. Here is the answer. Even though Bitcoin has been trying hard to cross the psychological level, Fil seems dormant in this regard. Bears have been driving the Fil market for quite a long time now. Well, in the current market structure, if the bulls defend and exert pressure, Fil might go up to test its local top at $21.68. And, in case the selling pressure kicks in, the token might tumble down even below its $16.98 floor. At the time, the Filecoin market needs buyers to defy the long-term bearish momentum. However, it's important to note that due to the token's unimpressive performance, a lot of investors have preferred to walk off cutting losses. Investors who bought the token in the bear market of September 2021 must have been feeling guilty now. Also, it's interesting to note that even though there has been an increase in volume at some points, the price hasn't responded to it at an equal level. RSI, at the time of writing, stood at the 49 mark looking south. Notably, technicals make it obvious to understand that the current market isn't offering buy the dip opportunity. But what about the metrics? Well, the price chart may not be able to show the latent money-making opportunity, but on-chain metrics reveal the true picture. And, in the case Filecoin, the scenario looks dull and worrisome. The on-chain volume has been decreasing unexpectedly. Even though there have been a few upticks in 2022, but none of it could match the highs of 2021. This clearly reveals that traders have been exiting their positions. In fact, the long-term holders have also been choosing to sell their tokens. For investors' sentiment to stay strong, the coin's social dominance plays an important role. Well, Fil's social dominance has been below zero after 10 November 2021. It simply sets out to equalize that the token wasn't being discussed even during the bull market. To put it simply, Filecoin hasn't been getting attention from the investors who are willing to make money. Amidst all the negative signs, it's important to note that the development activity has been on a rise, despite the massive fall in price. In fact, the Filecoin team seems to be leveling up its game post-December 2021. At the time of this analysis, the development activities stood strong at 48.45 counts. However, it remains to be seen if the development activity alone can take Fil up the price charts. And second, use Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Fil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last 6 months, bulls could barely initiate a sustainable rally and succumb to the long-term bearish trendline resistance, dashed. The alt now aim to enter into a tight phase in the $18-20 mark before testing its critical support and making a trend-comical move. At press time, Fil traded at $18.38, down by 2.37% in the last 24 hours. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Fil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Fil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market.